get you the most results. And I want to take you through some of the more basic to, I guess, intermediate ways to improve your soccer drills, where you can just go out and you can do them on any field. It doesn't even have to be a soccer field. But again, they're kind of basic, but I want to kind of explain as well how you can transition and make them more effective. So say you're more of an intermediate or advanced player, everybody's still doing these drills. You know, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So the first one I want to take you through is juggling. And the benefit of juggling is that you're learning the bottom of the ball. You're learning, you know, how the ball is in relation to your body. And again, you want to work on both feet as well. So I know most players are right-footed, I'm a lefty. So you don't always want to do just right-footed. You know, you want to go back and forth and get your knee involved. You know, get your chest, your head, all that type of stuff. So again, you want to make sure that you have control of the ball and everything you do is, you know, effective. So whether or not, like, it's a great warm-up to just go out and be able to juggle and really work on different ways to do that. And the reason why that's good, and most people don't really get the, I guess, the reasoning behind it, is it's really great for learning volleys. It's really great for trapping. Settling the ball is another way. You can work on your first touch, and then ultimately juggling does work on your first touch, which is something that you need to have if you want to be a great player. And I'm sure a lot of you out there want to eventually play college and maybe even become professional as well. So I wanted to give you the tools to help you develop some of those things as well. So again, when you're juggling, you just want to have loose feet. I'm going to do another video on juggling that kind of explains some stuff, maybe some of the little tips and tricks that I just did there, a little bit of flair. But anyways, yeah, just work on juggling. It's a great way to just get some touch on the ball. Secondly, you know, I have 4 cones here.